What's going on? I'm back with another video. Yes, I want to talk about the company again. About just $20 to get started for any company. It's just um, very affordable. Very affordable. It's inexpensive. It's very cheap. Even though I don't like to use that term cheap because it just sounds so it sounds so cheap. It sounds exactly what it sounds like. But yeah, it's affordable, it's inexpensive, and you can put so much money in your pocket, and not only could put so much money in your pocket in the process of doing so, you can have so much benefits. You know what I'm saying? Like when you work a regular job, you might have benefits depending on your job and the company you work for. But a lot of jobs that you work for, there's no benefits. Like I worked for a company for 9 years. I was so loyal, extremely loyal to this company. I never called out. I never called out. Always there. I worked one time. I worked 1 year, a few years. I worked for 4 years straight, and I never had a day off. I worked every day, 7 days a week, birthdays, holidays, Christmas. I mean, every day. Even when I was sick, even when I had diarrhea, even when I had aches and pains, I would just get up and go. That's loyalty. That's nothing but loyalty, and I didn't have any benefits. I didn't have no sick leave. I didn't have no vacation pay. I didn't have no dental. I didn't have no medical. I didn't have any of those things. So come fast forward, my mother just had a stroke like 6 months ago, back in the summertime, 2022, and here it is, February. But like last week when I went to go visit my mother, she's doing better now. She's in a nursing home. I went to go visit her, and while I was on time off to go see my mom, um, I got a phone call saying that they had to let me go. So they let me go, and that's what I'm saying. These jobs, working on these jobs, is not guaranteed. You can be working for a company, or you could be working for, or you can have your own you can have your own business and still get let go by your customers. You know what I'm saying? These jobs and stuff like that are not. It's not soundproof. There's no stability in it. There's no such thing as job security. Job security comes from within. It comes from within, and it comes from within. So you have to create job security. Job security does not come from a job, because a job is outside yourself. You see what I'm saying? Everything that you have and everything that you want, is you already have it. It's already inside you. You just gotta bring it out. And when people say they have job security and they dependent on a regular job or a regular 9 to 5, that's not real. That's an illusion. Me losing my income by me working for this company for 9 years is proof that a regular job, is not job security. So I'm saying that to say this: anyone who wants job security, um, a real true security as far as their income, anyone who wants to have uh, get their bills lowered, get medical, dental, vision, roadside assistance, and all the perks that comes with real security and real good benefits, click the link below in this video and you know get started or look into it. You don't have to join right away. Just see what I'm talking about and see what I have to offer. I would not promote anything that's not good. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't do it for money. Money is not worth it. Money is not worth my integrity. My integrity means too much for me to just be promoting some garbage just to make money. I'm not doing that. I really want to help people. I want to help like-minded individuals and people who are similar to me. So that way we can become a team and we can pull each other up. And that way we can be successful on this journey together. So if you're interested, just click the link below and get started as soon as possible. All right, bye.